Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 6 again. I hope all of you are good and doing well at home. So students, if you remember, we have started chapter number 12, triangles and quadrilaterals. And as you all know that this chapter belongs to the geometry section, and so far we have done total question number 3, 2 bits only. Okay, and we will continue the same question in today class, and we will try to solve some more questions from the exercise number 12.2. So class rules, all of you. I guess all of you know what are the class rules and what you have to do. What should you do? You should know what is our today's lecture content. Our today's lecture content is exercise number 12.2. So at first you have to write down the index in geometry copy. Okay, now what is your today's index? This one. So all of you open your geometry copy and write down index. Okay, write down index 13 1 21. This is your today's date, and write down exercise number 12.2, question number 3, bit number 3. So this is our today's index, and all of you have to write it down. Hmm? When you will done, so please let me know. Okay, I'm waiting for your reply. Understands? So far we have done total 2 bits, and yesterday I also posted your homework, and I'm going to check your homework today as well. Okay, so then when you will copy down the index along with date in geometry copy, then just write it down in the chat box that you have done with it. Okay, clear? So I'm waiting for your reply. Okay, most of you are replying that you have done, but only 6 students reply I got so far. And there are almost 34 students. So where are other students? Why all of you are not replying? Where are other students? Every student should reply, should participate in the class. Okay, every student, it is must. Raja Rizwan, please reply. Abdullah Irfan, reply, please reply. Everyone, I want reply from every student in the class. Ehan, Suhima, why? Hani Amir, beta, so when will you do your work? Hmm? Okay, you said, okay, Ehan, Ajwa, where are other students? Why other students are not replying? I want reply from every student in the class. Miss हो गया. Okay, Raja Rizwan. Javeria Babar has replied. Where is Miram Vakkar, Marusha, Miraj? Miraj, why you are not replying? Where are you, Miraj? Hmm? Zain Fahim, Hamdan, Jawad Kareem. Beta, please reply. Have you read the index? I'm going to check each and everyone answers today in the class. Okay? Okay, Hibal, Varda, Suhima, Umar bin Salman. Okay, Marusha. Okay, Miram. Okay, I want all your participation in the class. Every student should reply. Okay, Saad Suhail, where are you? Hmm? Okay, Hafsa Amir. Okay, Mehraj. Yes, Mehraj, please tell me. Okay, Obama. Okay, Saad Suhail. Everyone should reply in the class. Why, Mehraj? Mehraj Hussain, what you are trying to say? Okay, so now, as you know, that what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain you some example here, one example here, and then with the help of that example, you have to solve the question by yourself. Understand? Now look at here. This is your exercise number 12.2, and this is question number 3. Find the elements marked by a letter in the figure given below. Also give reasons to your answer. Okay, I know you should have your book, page number 173, open page number 173 of math book, and at that page you have a question, this one, and the bit number 3 is this. Okay, this is an exemplary question, so please do not copy down this question in your copy. Okay, please do not try to copy down this question in your copy. Just listen to me, just learn the criteria how to solve this question, and then you will attempt the question that is given in your book. Okay, now everyone should know from where we will start. First, what we will do, we will write down the heading of what? We will write the heading of, hmm? We will write down the heading of solution. Okay, first heading will be of solution, and then the next heading is name of the shape. Okay, now which shape is this? Everyone please reply. Which shape is this? Which shape is this? Okay, Hamza. Okay, Iman. Right. Yes, Raja, Rizwan, Aiza, Javeria, Miriam. Right answer. Okay, Marusha, Suhaima, Saad Suhail, Iman, Hasham, Ohan. Okay, now all of you are giving the right answer. And what is your answer? This is basically what? This is basically a rectangle. So the name of the shape is rectangle. Now what you have to do, you have to identify these elements. Now which element are you going to find out here? This one, L, M, N, A, and B. Now you have to identify where is L. Here this is L. So here it means you have to find out angle L. Then M. Then it means you have to find angle M. Next is N. So it means you have to find angle N from here. Okay. Then what is A? A is basically here. So this is a side. So you have to identify. You have to find out the measurement of this side. Now what is B? This one. This is a side as well. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out three angles. How many angles are there? One, two, three. You have to find out the measurement of these three unknown angles, and two sides are unknown, so you have to identify the measurement of these two sides as well. Okay, if you remember the properties of rectangle, if you remember the properties of rectangle, very good, very good. Okay, if you remember, Muhammad Hamza, yes, on Sheikh. Yes, Muhammad Hamza, you are right. If you remember the properties of rectangle, so you remember that all the angles of a rectangle are right angle. If one angle is 90 degrees, so all the angles will be right angle in a rectangle. So we will find out L, M, and N collectively. Means we will write down only one heading for L, M, and N. Okay, we will write down only one heading, which is for L, M, and N. Understand? Okay, so for L, M, and N, what postulate you will write? You will write all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Means all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Yes, Saad Suhail, you are right. No, Abbas Hussain, you are not trying to solve this question in your copy. Abbas, please do not copy down this question. This is example, okay? Okay, so all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. So the measurement of each angle will be is equals to 90 degree. So you will write here L is equals to 90 degree. Angle M is equals to 90 degree, and angle N will also equals to 90 degree. So please remember this postulate or memorize this postulate, everyone. What you will write, all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Okay, all the angles of a rectangle are right angles. Understand? Now next is sides. Now you have to find out this one, this A and this B. Now how will you find out A and B? Obviously you will find out A and B with the help of only one postulate. And what will be the postulate? Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Means opposite sides. Now the opposite side of A is this one. Okay, and the opposite side of B is this one. So their opposite sides are congruent, means their opposite sides are basically same. Opposite sides are same. So if this side is 7 centimeters, so A will also equals to 7 centimeter. If B is equals to the opposite side of B is this one, which is equals to 3 centimeters, so B will also equals to 3 centimeter. This is simple and easy. अभी कॉपी में कुछ नहीं करना, just listen, okay? Please do not write anything in your copy, okay? Now, this is the way to solve bit number 3 that is given in your book. I am repeating again. What you have to do, what you have to do, you have first you will write down the heading of solution, then you will write the name of the shape, then since it is a rectangle, so all the angles are equal, so you will write down L, M and N, and simply you will write all the angles of a rectangle are right angles, understand? And then for A and B means A and B are the sides, and yes, you know the opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent, so simply you will write A is equals to 7 centimeter and B is equals to 3 centimeter. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is it clear? Is it clear? Should we start the classwork? Should we start our classwork? Okay, now. Okay, now look at here. This is basically your question number 3, bit number 3. Now, there is a little bit, but before copying down, you have to copy down question number 3, complete question number 3. Okay, because tomorrow you have, yesterday you have done your homework. So please copy down question number 3 completely from the book on page number 173. First, copy down question number 3 with black pen and then copy down these bits. Now, listen, everyone. Please stop writing and listen. There is a little bit correction here. This one. Okay, please correct this thing in your book. This is not C. Okay, this is basically small n. Okay, everyone, please do this correction in the book. Everyone. This is not C. This is basically N. Understand? Hurry up. Do this correction in your copy, in your book, then copy down the bit. First, copy down question number 3, write down the date, exercise number, each and everything. Then copy down bit number 3, which is LMNAB. Okay, LMNAB. But before that, you have to copy down question number 3, everyone. Done? Okay, now if you have copied, so okay. Do this correction, everyone. Please do this correction. Okay, now I'm going to start the video. And please let me know if is it clear or not. Okay, now what you have to do, look at here. First, you will copy down the question. I haven't copied down the question here, but you have to copy down the question here from book. Okay, and please write down the date here, which is 13/1/21, and write down here exercise number 12.2, question number 3, bit number 3. Please, on the red line, mention all these things. And what is your question? You have to find out LMNAB. Please write it down, everyone. When you will done, so please tell me, okay? Okay, so Hema, everyone is saying that it's clear. Done? Okay, now what you will do first, which heading you are going to write first here? First you will write here the heading of solution. Okay, now please start solving it, but before solving, everyone, please start your videos. Everyone start your videos. Hurry up. Everyone kindly start your video so that I can see what you are doing in the copy. Everyone. Beta, hurry up. Why you are not starting the videos? Okay, only Mohammed, Hamza Anjum, Marusha. Where are other students? Everyone, please. Umar bin Salman, Varda, Javeria, Dilaves, start your videos so that I can check what are you doing in the copy. Yes, okay, now Hamza, I'm going to check your answer. Okay, very good, Hamza. Now continue, please. Okay, on Sheikh, please continue. Okay, on Sheikh, try to first you will solve it. Stop your video and solve it. On Sheikh, solve it. Okay, me Rabban, you are using the computer, so please try to arrange it. Okay, Raja Rizwan. Okay, Javeria. I'm watching your video. I'm trying to watch your video, but it is not possible for me. Javeria. Beta, please turn on your videos. Okay, Sana. Hamna. Okay, Hamna. Just a minute. Okay, name of the shape. Very good. Very good, Hamna. Where is the solution? Solution दिखाइए, please. Show me the solution. Okay, now start solving, Hamna. Start solving. Find out L, M, and N. Now complete this question, completely solve this question, and then show it to me. Okay, Raja, please show your answer. Everyone solve the question and then show to me. Okay. Okay, Shanti Kumari. Just a minute. Okay, Shanti Kumari, find out L, M, N. Very good, Shanti. Very neat and tidy work. Very good, Shanti. Shabash. Very good. Now stop your video and solve it. Okay, now Nida, I'm checking your one. Okay, very good, Shanti Kumari. Now solve it. Very good, Bete. Very good. Very good. Okay, who is this? This is Varda Khan. Okay, Varda, solve it, beta. Now solve it. Name of the shape. Write down the name of the shape. Okay, Hibal, I am watching. Just a minute. Very good, Hibal. Very good. You have solved complete question. That's very good. All the angles of a rectangle are right angle L, M, N. And for A, B, opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Very good, Hibal. Shabash. Okay, on completely solve the question. Okay, Abdullah Irfan solve the question. Okay, Iman. Okay, please show the complete answer, Iman. Iman, please show the complete answer. देखना था, कुछ देखना था. ठीक है? Okay, Aiza, I'm checking your answer. Very good. I will solve it. Aiza, please solve it. Then I will check the answer. Okay? Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to check the answer of Raja Muhammad Rizwan. Okay, Raja. Very good, bete. Opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Is correct. The spelling of congruent. The spelling of congruent is wrong. Okay, please show me the first postulate, Raja. Just a minute. All the All sides. Why sides? All the angles of a rectangle are 90 degree, not sides, angles. Okay. Now where are others video? Beta, please turn on. When you will solve the question, please turn on your video. Okay, Javeria, I'm going to check your answer. Please. Very good. All the angles of a rectangle are right angle, right, and opposite sides of rectangle are, I can't see you, beta, are congruent. Okay, that's good. Right. Next is, who is this? Hadika. Okay, Hadika, I'm checking your answer. Very good. Very good. Shabash. Okay, you, Sarah, I'm watching. I want to see your answer. Okay. Okay, Muhammad Unshir. Yes, Muhammad Unshir. All the angles of rectangle are right angles. Here you will write S and then full stop. S and then full stop. Okay. Now turn on your page. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent at full stop here. AB is equals to 4 centimeter, right? Yes. Okay. Correct. That's good. Now turn off your video. Okay, Iman. Okay, Shanti Kumari. All the angles of rectangle are right angle and opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Very good. Okay, I think all of you have done. I guess all of you have done. So we are about to start. Okay, you, Sarah, I'm checking your answer. Okay, opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Okay, Dilaves, you are still doing? Okay, all angles of a rectangle are congruent. Right answer. Very good, you, Sarah. I think all of you have done. Okay, Aiza, I'm going to check your answer. Just a minute. Aiza, where is your video, bete? Aiza, please turn on your video. Okay, this is Varda's answer. Varda Khan. All the angles of a rectangle are right angle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Okay, Abdullah says he has done. That's good. Okay, Varda, your answer is right. Okay, Aiza, where is your video? Who is this? Umema, Hamna. Okay, Iman. Okay, this is Hamna's answer. Hamna, please show the complete answer. Right. The opposite. I can't see the second postulate, bete. The opposite of rectangle are congruent. The opposite sides of rectangle are congruent, and please correct the spelling of congruent. Here you will write opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Please correct it. Okay, Abbas, turn on your video. Okay, where is Abbas video? Okay, Umama. Opposites. Okay, yes, Umama, your answer is right. When I say that your answer is right, so just quickly turn off your video. Okay, this is Umama, and now this is Iman Hasham. Okay, opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. Okay, right. And all the angles of rectangle are right angle. That's good. Okay, Aiza. Okay, all the angles of a rectangle are right angle. And okay, turn on your page. Move to the next page. Yes. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Very good. Now, Nida Fatma, your answer, please. All the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. Okay. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. That's good. Now, Abdullah Irfan, please share your answer. Okay. All the angles of a rectangle are right angle and opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. That's good. Okay. Saad Suhail. Saad Suhail, your answer, please. Name of the shape rectangle. Where is the postulate? Who will write down the postulate here? Saad Suhail. You have to write here. Okay, yes, Saad Suhail. Write down the postulate. Hurry up, bete. Okay? Shabash. Very good. Okay, next is Abbas. Okay, Abbas, I'm checking your answer. This is Abbas Hussein's answer. Name of the shape. Okay, Saad Suhail, please write down this postulate. All the angles of a rectangle are 90-degree or right angle, right? Okay, Abbas, listen to me. This is small n, small m, small n. Okay, write down in small letter L, M, N. These are small m, n, L, M, N. Okay, turn your page. Turn your page. Abbas. Right. Okay, now opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. A is equals to right. Very good. Okay, Marusha. Okay, Abbas, make the corrections. Okay, who is this? This is Marusha. Okay, all angles of a rectangle are right angle. All angles of a rectangle are right angle. Congruent is also right, but the spelling of congruent is wrong. You can add here with the slash that right angle. Okay, and correct the spelling of congruent, Marusha. Okay, now Sana. Sana, just a minute. Answer the complete solution, Sana. It's not that much clear. All angles of a rectangle are congruent, or you can say the right angle. Okay, all angles of a rectangle are right angle or congruent. Okay, opposite sides of rectangle are congruent. That's right. Okay, now I'm going to. I think all of you have done. So please, we are going moving towards the construction. Okay. Now everyone, please turn off your videos. And now I'm going to start the construction. Okay. Now please turn off your videos, everyone. Yes. The language, I will check your answer after the construction. Okay. Now look at here. You have done this question, so I'm not going to solve this question here. Okay, because I know all of you have done it. Okay, so I'm not going to solve anything here because you have done very well so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to construct the angle. Okay, now look at here. This is the figure. This is a triangle that you are going to construct. Okay, you have to construct this one. So as you can see, first you will draw this line. Saad Suhail, when just a minute, Saad Suhail, I'm going to show you. Look at here, Saad Suhail. You have write the heading of solution, then you write the name of the shape, right? Saad Suhail, I'm talking to you. Okay. Then you will write the heading of here for L, M, N. Okay. Then what you will do after that, you will write here all the angles of rectangle are right angle. So you will write L is equals to 90-degree, M is equals to 90-degree, and N is equals to 90-degree. Okay. Now we are going to construct this rectangle. So how will you do this? What you will do? Very good, Anshik. What you will do first, you will draw this line segment WX, which is equals to 6 centimeter. WX, which is equals to 6 centimeter. So what you will do? First, draw a line in front of this question. Okay, in front of it number 3, draw a line segment of 6 centimeter from 0 till 6. Okay, and right here this is capital W, this is capital S, and the measurement of this line segment is 6 centimeter. Everyone, please write it down. Okay, done. Done, everyone. Just draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. Okay, I'm waiting for you. It's okay. It's okay, students. Okay, Sana, very good. Okay, now after that, what you will do is, you know that all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. So simply what you will do, you will place your D on point W. Okay, on point W, you are going to place your D here. Look at here. At this point, on point W, place the D over here and simply make the angle of 90 degree. This is 90 degree now. So make the angle of 90 degree here, right? Similarly, what you will do after that, you will draw a line point, join these 2 points. Understand? Similarly, what you will do, another point which is x, you will draw the angle of 90 degree. This is point x, and at point x, you will also draw the angle of 90 degree, just like this. Very good, Hamza. And simply add these 2 points. Right, done. Clear. But after that, as you can see here, the measurement of this side, okay, we are talking about this side and this side. So the measurement of this side is 4 centimeter. Okay, the measurement of this side is 4 centimeter. So what you will do, you will take the scale and cut this line. Okay, place your zero, the 0 point on point W, and mark at 4 centimeter. Where is 4 centimeter? Here it is. Here it is. Okay, so make a point at 4 centimeter. Similarly, you will done with this line as well, because these two lines should be equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, and at this point you will make a small dot here. Understand? Now, when you are going, done, please tell me. Okay. Okay, now look, as you know, these are the points here, this point and this point. Now, what you will do, you will join this 2 point with the help of a line segment. But when you are going to join it, so your measurement should be equals to 6 centimeter. As you can see, this is 6 centimeter. As you can see, this is 6 centimeter. This is 6. So the line should be equals to 6 centimeter. Now join these 2 points. Understand? Then now what will be the next step? What we will do here? We will erase this extra portion. Very good, Onshir, shabash. Now we will erase this extra portion. Yes, very good, Miraban. Now erase this extra portion. Right, now the last step is to label the diagram according to the labeling given in your book. Now, as you can see here, I have your book. This is your book. Okay, now I am going to label it accordingly. Now this is W, and this is equals to 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. Please do not write this B. Okay, do not write this one. Now this is L. Okay, now this point, this is 4 centimeter, so I'm going to write here 4 centimeter. Okay, then this is M and point Y. Now this is angle M, and this is point Y. This is A. Okay, I'm going to write here A. Then what is this? This is N. So I'm going to write here, this is angle N. Okay, now this is point Z, and this is B, side B. Okay, do not write this point. Clear? So this is the complete one. Then this is your bit number 3 figure. Understand? Now I'm going to check your answers, everyone. This is Z and this is N, small n. Okay, now please turn in, everyone, please turn your videos, and till then, I'm going to take your attendance. Okay, please turn on your videos, everyone, so that I can check your answer. Yusera, you are logging it with two different IDs. Why is that so, Yusera? You are using two different IDs. Why, Bete? Okay, now I'm going to check your answers. Just a minute. Okay, yes. Now, one by one, I'm going to check the answer. Okay, Yusera, very good. Okay, Hadika. Ah, very good. Hadika, this is a small L. This is a small L. Please correct it. Iman Hasham. Iman Hasham. Just a minute. Uh, Iman Hasham. I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, this is Raja Rizwan. Raja Rizwan, please show your answer. Show your diagram. Show your figure. Hurry up. Time is running out. Okay, this is a small L. This is a small L. Okay, Abdullah Irfan. Very good. Okay, Javeria Bauer. Okay, very good. Okay, Sana Hafiz. Now time is running out. So I'm going to end your lecture here. Okay, I'm going to end your lecture here. If you want to ask anything, if you have any question, so please you can ask. If you want to ask anything, do you have any question? Okay, that's good. Okay, you said, okay, that's good. Okay, Dilavis, I'm checking your answer. Just a minute.